perceived by the public. This data can be used to refine marketing campaigns, target specific demographics, and even predict future purchasing trends. Imagine a world where advertisements are tailored not just to your interests, but also to your current mood and emotional state.
Section 4. The double-edged sword benefits and ethical concerns. While the potential benefits of emotional AI are undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the ethical considerations that come with this technology. Privacy is a major concern, as emotional AI often relies on collecting and analyzing personal data, such as facial expressions and voice recordings. It's essential to establish clear guidelines and regulations regarding data collection, storage, and usage to ensure that individual privacy is protected. Another concern is the potential for bias in emotional AI algorithms. If these algorithms are trained on biased data sets, they may perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. For example, an AI system trained on a dataset that overrepresents a particular demographic may be less accurate in recognizing and interpreting the emotions of individuals from underrepresented groups. It's crucial to ensure that emotional AI systems are developed and trained on diverse and representative datasets to mitigate bias and promote fairness.
Section 5. The future landscape. What's next for emotional AI? The future of emotional AI is brimming with possibilities. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, transforming industries and enhancing our daily lives. In healthcare, emotional AI could be used to develop personalized mental health apps that provide real-time support and interventions based on an individual's emotional state. In education, it could be used to create adaptive learning platforms that adjust to a student's emotional responses, providing customized feedback and support. As we venture further into the realm of emotional AI, it's crucial to foster open and honest conversations about the ethical considerations and potential risks associated with this technology. By approaching emotional AI with a balanced perspective, we can harness its power to create a more empathetic and understanding world while also safeguarding against potential pitfalls. The future of emotional AI is in our hands, and it's up to us to shape it responsibly.